JDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies, and how you folks doing today? Hope you're doing well. We got Kneadatite, blue, yellow. It's actually called green stuff, and it comes in a container like this. I got this for a good price on Amazon, and I want to say that to you. It's a lot bigger. Comes in a full case like that. Okay, so let's take it out. And you take it out, and it's got this plastic right here. And this plastic, you peel as you peel this, you peel this back, and you take just the amount you need. And this, of course, is for putty, for modeling, and actually for anything you want to stick something together. It works very well, and I usually give it a 24-hour cure time. And the blue and the green you mix until it turns a solid green, okay, and then you can use it to make a repair on something. It's very handy. Some people sculpt with it. They sculpt little figurines, and you can use water to smooth over wherever you apply it with your finger. And when you peel this back, there's two sides also. So you peel it back, there's plastic on this side and this side, so you cut it with a pair of scissors. You've seen me do it before. And you peel the plastic off. You do not want to mix the plastic in with the putty. It'll affect the cure time. And then when you're done with it, put it back in its case. And I've used this countless times for making repairs, filling voids in models and things like that. And like the guy sent me a note that sold it to me. He says you will find countless methods to use this on, and it's true. You know, I'd pick up a package of this just because, even if you don't do modeling, just because it's handy. It comes in very handy. Okay, and I'm not trying to sell you on it or anything like that. I'm just saying it's something that you'd have in your hobby kit or repair kit. So thanks for watching, and that's a close-up of it. And thanks, and we'll see you next time.